make vegan mochas. Here are our supplies. We've got sugar. We're using cane sugar, almond milk, instant espresso, some cocoa whip to top it with, and cocoa powder.
Good old-fashioned Hershey's.
Yes, and the secret trick here is a mason jar to shake it up so that you can get all the cocoa powder dissolved. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of espresso, mix, instant espresso. We're using this kind. And then you add 3 ounces of hot water, almost boiling. Okay, so we're gonna add that. Just stir it up a little bit. To the espresso, you add the 1 tablespoon of chocolate and up to 2 tablespoons of sugar to taste. We find that this is pretty sweet, which is delicious, but you could certainly do less.
Looks like mud pie.
And then we've microwaved this milk. We've shook it up and microwaved it so that it'd be nice and frothy. So to steam our milk, we're actually going to use the microwave, very simple. And we are gonna pour our almond milk into this other mason jar, second mason jar, and actually shake it to get some air into the milk. Okay, I'm just gonna heat this up in the microwave 30 seconds at a time. And we will add about 3 to 4 ounces of this milk. So I will pour out 4 ounces. Add that. And the fun part is then we get to shake it all up. And drink it. That's also the fun part. Get a nice white cup.
I feel like this is a callback to our cocktail.
Oh, totally.
Could we make this in the cocktail shaker?
Is it all milk?
That's hilarious.
Burn your hand.
And then we're gonna top with coconut whip.
Beautiful.
Sprinkle a little bit of cocoa. You could shave in cocoa like from a chocolate bar as well. It'd look really pretty. And enjoy.
Or sprinkles.
Cheers.